Hi everybody and welcome back. I have a small problem with Recordbox. Look at the curve of this song. That's not normal. It has to be a straight line. You also hear it on the music. I'm sorry for the poor quality of the sound because it's recorded with a laptop. And when I switch in Recordbox to 2 players and I load another song with the track, the beat stays pretty okay. You can mix it, so that's not a problem. But there's still a problem somewhere in the other track. I don't know how to fix that problem. When I play both tracks, you hear there's no problem. They stay in sync. Of course, I have to push the sync button. You'll see now they are completely in sync. And I don't know exactly if that is working on the CD players, but hopefully it will work.